Good morning, dear students. So today we'll discuss practice assignment of past tense. As yesterday we completed present tense, so today we'll do past and future tense, both. So you will just raise your hands and I'll ask you the answers one by one. So first is change the following sentences into simple past tense. So the first sentence is they like talking to their friends. Vamika,
They like talking to their friends.
they liked means in past tense we use V2. Second form of verb is used. So it is they liked talking to their friends. Okay. Next is she was cooking food. Aditi,
She cooked food.
she cooked food. Cooked nahi beta. This is cooked. She cooked food. Okay. Second form is to be used. So it is she cooked food. Right answer, Aditi. The birds are flying in the sky. Javir,
The bird flew in the sky.
right answer. The second form of fly is flew. Fly, flew, flown. So the birds flew in the sky. Next is I have done my work. Vanshika Mishra,
I did my work.
I did my work. So done is the third form. So its second form is did. I did my work. The doctor treats the patient. Saisha,
The doctor treated the patient.
the doctor treated the patient. Right answer. Krish, the head girl will hoist the flag on Republic Day.
The head girl hosted the flag on Republic Day.
Yes, the head girl hoisted the flag. You are working hard, Tanya.
You worked hard.
You worked hard. Right answer. They cut the cake. Very
You
interesting
worked hard.
sentence. Harnoor, they cut the cake.
They
Huh?
cut the cake. They
What?
cut. They cut the cake.
They cut the cake. It will remain same. क्योंकि जो कट है
Yes, they cut
इसकी
the cake.
तीनों फॉर्म सेम होती हैं. कट कट कट. So he was sitting behind the door. Jaideep,
He sat behind the door.
right answer. He sat behind the door. The children were watching the television. Janvi Dhingra,
The children watched the television.
the children watched the television. Right answer. Now fill in the blanks with the simple past form of verb given in the bracket. Rita dash her aunt on Sunday. Khushpreet,
Rita visited her aunt on Sunday.
Rita visited her aunt on Sunday. Right answer. Aditya, your answers are right, although I cannot see all the messages. The girls dash to music. Krisha,
The girl listened to music.
listened to music. Right answer. Janet dash a cap. Hardik Batra,
Janet weared a cap.
wrong
Wore a
answer.
cap.
Wore.
Ye-
Yes, wore. It is wore.
Mr. Smith taught us Spanish.
Okay, next is Mr. Smith dash us Spanish. Gurleen,
Mr. Smith taught us Spanish.
yes, Mr. Smith taught us Spanish. You dash hard for this project.
Worked.
अजितेश, ये कौन बोली जा रहा है बीच में?
You
Mute
worked
yourself.
hard project.
Yes, you worked hard for this project. We dash a nice garden. Shipra Bansal,
We had a nice garden.
we had a nice garden. Right answer. She dash 6 years old. Priya,
He was 6 years old.
yes, she was 6 years old. Simon dash 2 rabbits and 5 golden fish. Vriddhi.
Ma'am
Had. Right answer. I dash in Vinaya, Austria. Vinaya. Rohan Gaba.
lived.
Lived. Right answer. They dash Sandy's parents. Taranpreet.
They
They were Sandy's parents. Right answer. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs in the past perfect continuous. So he dashed for 2 hours. Work. Pranvi Gupta. Pranvi.
Working for 2 hours.
He had been working for 2 hours. The rule of past perfect continuous is had been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for. Next is you dash here since 1982. Samrit Saini.
You had been
You had been आगे.
lived.
Wrong answer. Tanishinder.
You had been living here since 1982.
Yes, you had been living here since 1982. Right answer. They dash us for 4 years. Ansh.
They had been helping us for 4 years.
Okay, right answer. It dash since Monday. Shreya.
If had been raining since Monday.
It had been raining since Monday. Right answer. They dash for the guests for half an hour. Krippy.
They had been waiting for the guest for half an hour.
Okay, right answer. The baby dash for half an hour. Shipra.
Had been weeping.
Had been weeping. Right answer. They dash the examination for a week. Take. Gurjas. Aparna. Javeer.
They had been taking.
Have नहीं जी had been. Past की बात हो रही है. They had been
had
taking examination for a week. They dash paper flowers for 2 hours. Janvi Dhingra.
They had been making.
They had been making. Right answer. Tanisha, the girls dash since evening.
Been dancing.
Had been dancing. Right answer. Aditya, your answer is also right. The Masons dash this house for a year. Krish.
And had been building.
Had been building. Right answer. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs in the past continuous tense. Saisha, the teacher dash the students.
Was teaching.
Was teaching. Right answer. Harnoor, the boys dash their lesson then.
Were learning.
Were learning. The girls dash in the playground. Priya.
Were skipping.
Were skipping. The dog dash at the strangers. Hardik.
The dog barked at the strangers.
Wrong answer. Past continuous fill करना है.
The dog was barking at the strangers.
Yes, was barking. Right answer. The Bengal sellers dash Bengals. Rohan.
Was selling.
बेटा sellers है, plural है, were selling आएगा. They dash in the canal. Parth,
Were swimming.
they were swimming. Right answer. Subhash dash his breakfast. Samrit,
Was eating.
was eating. Right answer. The people dash tickets. Kripi,
Were buying.
were buying. Priya and her brother dash their teeth. Vridhi,
Was cleaning.
were cleaning beta, plural है subject. The cashier was busy, he dashed the notes. Vamika,
Ma'am was counting.
was counting. Okay, fill in the past perfect form of the verb in the following blanks. I dash him before. Joy Joshi, Ansh,
Had seen him.
had seen. Right answer. Jaydeep, she dash already dashed the glass.
Had already broken.
Had already broken. Right answer. Very good. Next, Khushpreet, I dash never dash such a sweet dreams.
I had never such a sweet dream.
I had never had such a sweet dream. दोनों जगह had आएगा. एक had है आपका past perfect वाला, दूसरा had है आपकी have की third form वाला, क्योंकि आपको जो verb है वो have दी गई है. Has, have, had. Had is the third form. Okay. Next is the storm dash the sand castle that we dash. Mute yourself, Saurav Kalia. Yes, Priya.
The storm had destroyed the sandcastle that we built.
Right answer. पहले हमारा past perfect आएगा. Past perfect के साथ we use past indefinite. दोनों जगह past perfect नहीं आएगा. Okay. She dashed in China before she dashed to Thailand. Vanshika Mishra.
She lived in China before she went to Thailand.
Wrong answer, बच्चे. Saisha. Saisha.
Fourth sentence.
Fifth.
She had lived in China before she went to Thailand.
Yes, she had lived in China before she went to Thailand. बेटा मैंने आपको बताया था when two actions take place, तो एक उसमें से जो पहले हो चुका होता है वो आता है past perfect में, उसके बाद वाला जो action होता है वो आता है past indefinite में. If you remember the rules of the tenses, ये आपको बताया गया था उस टाइम पे. After they dash the shellfish, they dash to feel sick. Krish,
Yes, ma'am.
आंसर दो बेटा. यस मैम क्या? सिक्स सेंटेंस का आंसर.
sentence है?
सिक्स.
After they had eaten the shellfish, they began.
They began. Right answer. आदित्य आपका आंसर भी राइट है. After they had eaten the shellfish, they began to feel sick. Means कि पहले उन्होंने shellfish खाई थी तो उसके साथ past perfect आएगा. बाद में वो बीमार हुए तो उसके साथ past indefinite आएगा. So when two actions take place in the past, एक के साथ आता है past perfect और दूसरे के साथ आता है past indefinite. Okay, the patient dash before the doctor dash. Taranpreet.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Beta ji, 7th question. Everything is in front of you. I have written all the sentences. I mean, all the sentences are there in the slide.
The patient had died before the doctor had arrived.
Yes, the patient had died before the doctor arrived. Means कि patient पहले ही मर चुका था डॉक्टर के आने से. So पहले जो action हुआ उसके साथ past perfect, बाद में जो action हुआ उसके साथ past indefinite. बार बार मैं आपको एक ही चीज समझा रही हूँ. I dash him immediately as I dash him before. Priya.
I had recognized him immediately as I saw him.
Yes, right answer. I wish I dash with my friend during his last days. Harnoor.
I had stayed.
Had stayed. Janvi Dhingra, I wish I dash with my. Okay, sorry, sentence is repeated. So I hope this exercise of past tense is clear to you. Now we'll discuss future tense key exercise. Okay. Okay, beta. So future tense, fill in the blanks with simple future or future continuous tense. Now you are to fill according to your understanding. Your shoes dash ready in 15 minutes. Aditi.
Will be ready.
Will be ready. Right answer. The tourist dash the desert this time tomorrow. Krisha.
The tourists will cross the desert this time tomorrow.
No, right. Wrong answer, beta. Hardik.
The tourists will cross the desert this time tomorrow.
Wrong answer. Vanshika.
The tourists will crossing the desert this time tomorrow.
Beta will be crossing the desert this time tomorrow. कि कल वो इस टाइम पे क्रॉस कर रहा होगा. ठीक है. They work hard. They dash good marks at the end of the session. Krisha. Hurry up.
They worked hard. They will get good marks at the end of
They
the
will
session.
get good marks. Right answer. Vamika. His boss dash with him tomorrow at 1 p.m.
His boss will speaking with him tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Will speak with him. कल वो 1 बजे उससे बात करेगा. The police officer dash the thug after you. After you identify him. Vansh Kumar. No. Tanishinder.
The police officer will arrest the thug after you identify him.
Right answer. Rama dash at 11:30 p.m. this evening. Pranvi. बोलो बेटा.
Pin.
No. Javi.
Rama
Will be speaking.
Rama will be sleeping at 11:30 p.m. this evening. Okay. She dash with us, I'm sure. Mannat.
She will come with us, I am sure.
Right answer. We dash this house as soon as possible. Pravjot.
Ma'am, we will leave this house as soon as possible.
Okay, we shall leave. We के साथ shall आता है. He dash all afternoon. Ajitesh.
Ma'am, please repeat the sentence.
हाँ जी बेटा. He dash all afternoon. Not play है ब्रैकेट में. You are wasting time बेटा. Krish.
He will not play.
Will not play. At 9 I dash the news. At 9 I dash the news.
Will be watching.
Will be watching the news. Right answer. So the next is fill in the following blanks with the future perfect tense of the verbs. Future perfect. The picture dash by the time we reach the hall. Saisha.
Will have started.
Will have started. Dash your studies by 2009. Krisha.
Will have finished.
Will you have यहाँ you नहीं दिया है बेटा. No problem. वो गलती से रह गया. Will you have finished your studies by 2009? The farmers dash not dash the harvest before September. Hardik Batra. बोलो बेटा. Jaydeep.
Will have not reaped.
Yes, will have not reaped. Right answer. I dash exercise before the sun rises. Aditi.
Shall have taken.
Shall have taken. Right answer. He dashes lesson by next week. Learn. इसमें learn कर लो. Learn के साथ बनाइए. जानवी ढींगरा.
I shall have learned exercise. I shall have.
बेटा जी मैं 5th सेंटेंस पूछ रही हूँ आपसे. 4th हो चुका है और उसमें ऑलरेडी आपको टेक दिया गया है.
He will have learned his lesson by next week.
Yes, he will have learned his lesson by next week. Hurry dash this job till lunch tomorrow. Shipra.
Ma'am, 6th and 10th.
हाँ जी.
Harry will have finished this job till lunch
Next,
tomorrow.
Priya. I dash meals by the time you come back.
Shall have taken.
Shall have taken. Right answer. Tanishinder. The farmers dash their fields before the sun sets.
The farmers will have ploughed their fields before the sun sets.
Plowed. बेटा plowed. P-L-O-U-G-H-E-D. Plown नहीं plowed. Okay. We dash on our journey before the day dawns. Khushpreet.
We shall have started on our journey before the day dawns.
The bank dash when we reach there. Again Tanishinder.
Ma'am, 10th sentence.
Yes.
The bank will have opened when we reach there.
Okay. The bank will have opened when we reach there. Right answer. So last part is fill in the following blanks with the future perfect continuous tense. So future perfect में क्या आएगा? Will have been plus V1 plus ing. ठीक है? So by next month we dash in this city for 10 years. Priya.
Shall have been living.
Shall have been living. Right answer. The team dash for an hour before the month begins. Krish.
Will have been practicing.
Will have been practicing. Right answer. Saisha, she dash her sums for 10 days by tomorrow.
Have been doing.
Have been doing. Right answer. The guests dash since morning by this time. Vanshika.
Will have been arriving.
Will have been arriving. So that means this exercise is clear to you how to fill future perfect continuous tense. Okay. So as time is going to be over, so I'm just going to paste attendance form now. We'll just stop the recording here.